The Don Schramm Award is this amazing thing that we do every year, and it's to honor someone who's a really extraordinary member of the community. So I'm really excited to talk to you guys about a community leader, someone who has led the Old North End Community Dinner for years. She's also a friend of mine, an amazing physical therapist in the area. She is also the kind of person who really lives her values and who I'm just really proud to know. And she really has this one-on-one generosity that isn't the kind of thing that you get member hours for. She's just a really amazing and extraordinary person. And so I'm really happy to give this award to Janet Carscadden. Okay, and so we're going to introduce Don Schramm, the namesake of the award now.
Oh, okay. I'll step into the light. Wow, I'm incredibly honored. I got a call a few weeks ago that they're offering, honoring me with this award, and I was very humbled because there's so many people in this community who have done so much for so long. But if you don't know about the community dinner, it's in the Old North End, and it's been going on for, I'm not even sure how long, at least 15 years, probably longer than that, and I was, okay, low 20, there we go. But it was suggested to me that I should get involved in the community dinner because of my love of food. And some organizational skills. And it has been an incredible thing for me because I've gotten to meet so many people. I was actually living in Richmond at the time and coming in to help with the dinner, and had then moved into Burlington. And there's just an incredible number of people that come from all parts of Vermont. Like they're not even just in Chittenden County, that come in and help out with this dinner. And this dinner has grown from being 25, 30 to 50 people, and now serves 150 people once a month now at the St. Joseph's space, the One Community Center. And the whole idea behind it is to help to get people involved in local politics, which is pretty cool. So our Neighborhood Planning Association for Wards 2 and 3 is right after the dinner. And most of those NPA meetings get 6, 10 people, and we have 150 people, all there with local politics, talking about it. It's kind of incredible. And we're supported by the farmers, so we serve local organic food. It's also a stealth vegan dinner. I'm a vegan, and we started to use really, really good food, so it was pretty amazing that people came and they'd be like, "What's in this? Is this vegan?" I'd be like, "Yes, everything's vegan." And the vegans were like, "Wow." And the other people were like, "This is just great, wonderful food." So it's really not about me. There are so many volunteers that come out every month to put on this dinner, so I'd like to thank those volunteers. And in fact, there's probably a lot of you in this room. Are there I've seen them tonight, but I don't know if they're all here. Any of our other volunteers, they're here. So Janet Hicks is over in the corner, who's been doing this for years. Oh, great, we got all of an incredible group of people. So I'd like to accept this in honor of the volunteers. And thanks City Market, because without City Market's support, we really couldn't have the dinner because it's grown so much. We need volunteers, and organizations struggle to get them, but not if you give out City Market member worker hours. And then you get lots of them. So we really, really, it's incredible what you've done to help to support the community. So thank you so much. Yeah.
So the sooner this gets called the City Market or Onion River Co-op Community Service Award, the better, as far as but I do appreciate the opportunity to share some of my enthusiasm for co-op. So they did give me a couple minutes to speak. You may see a hook come out and I disappear off out of the front here. I just want to remind all of us that our most important community service work is for us to constantly advocate for co-ops in general and for our Onion River Co-op in particular. We need to educate ourselves about the differences between our co-op and the conventional supermarkets that are all around us. And if we're not doing close to 100% of our food shopping at City Market, we need to ask ourselves, why not? And what would it take to do all our shopping at City Market? We also need to challenge our friends to do the same self-evaluation. When we think of our co-op's major stakeholders, we think of members, customers, employees, farmers, local producers, nonprofits, vendors, city and state governments, and other cooperatives. Is there a missing major stakeholder? How many of you know of Extinction Rebellion? Put your hands up. Extinction Rebellion. If you have not heard of Extinction Rebellion, I would encourage you to Google them. The organization started in London a year ago and is now worldwide. Well, Extinction Rebellion would say that Mother Earth is a missing stakeholder, and the most important one, given that human extinction may well be just around the corner. This is a major difference between City Market and other grocery stores. Mother Earth is a major stakeholder in our co-op. The range of actions City Market has taken to become a better partner for Mother Earth is impressive, from solar panels to electric car chargers, to more composting and recycling of the waste stream, to reducing the sale of plastic water bottles, to lowering the use of paper and plastic bags, to investing in state-of-the-art refrigeration in our South End store, reducing our store's reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing the amount of CO2 that we create. As far as efficient and environmentally friendly refrigeration goes, we are the leader in Vermont, and people from all over come to learn from us. I'm sure John will fill you in with more details later. So if you cannot find any other reason to do all your food shopping in the co-op, do it for Mother Earth. Thank you.